Hello, friends. Today I'm here to talk about the importance of birthdays. Yes, birthdays are such important celebrations that need to be celebrated. Very often, I find that in families they say this is not important and not necessary. Every day is the same. But no, the day you were born into this universe, you entered in a separate entity, a separate person who is going to achieve so many things. All these great names in history and in discoveries and explorers and makers of history, kings, queens, and all these dynasties, they started by being born. So that when you take birth, it is so, so very important. It is irrespective of the fact that you are a boy or a girl, both are equally important and it needs to be celebrated. Celebrated because once in a year you get a chance to felicitate, to love, to express your happiness that that person is there in your midst. Many people, um, like my daughter now, has just given birth to her first kid, and she celebrates every single month a birthday. And what a wonderful thing that is. I'm not saying to celebrate it every month, but it's like a milestone that is being achieved. And if you make a record of it like through the years, it's so good. And the older a person gets, the more milestones they have achieved, and the greater the celebrations. And you don't know for how long we are going to live. So it's not necessary that you say, no, when you're a kid, you celebrate it, and then when you grow up, you don't celebrate it. You celebrate it throughout life. It's that one day in the year in which you tell the person how good you feel to have them in your midst, how great it is to have them as a part of your family, as a part of your life, as a friend or whatever. So remember that these are the times in which people feel appreciated from within, and that is important to make them feel good. There is one thing which I read somewhere that a person says that when I'm living, when I'm here with you, show your love to me, show your love in various ways. Don't wait until I'm gone and then, write obituaries and come and give speeches and come and, have functions and uh, all that sort of thing when the person has passed on. Why don't you celebrate it when the person is there? My father in law was telling me the other day that they have this Pitra which they celebrate in the Hindu religion, and it is to remember the dead, a day to remember the dead. Some days in the month are set aside to remember them and to pray for them. And then they give food, their favorite food, favorite food of the person who passed away, they give it to uh, the birds or animals or whatever. So why give it to the animal? Why don't you give it to the person, who is there with you when they are there with you? Maybe they didn't even get the food served to them, it was only served by the servants, not a family member. So that is very important. Don't wait until the person is gone and then to show the world or to satisfy yourself that, because you didn't do it when they were living, now you're doing it when they have gone. So who are you doing it for? For the others to show them or for to appease your own conscience? I know I might sound like, being too judgmental in this, but as a motivator, as helping you to achieve a better lifestyle, this is one of the important things to remember. So celebrate life, celebrate your birthdays, and make your family members feel so special. Thank you.